Hello again. We are the Omis, and this is our 7th Arduino project, the temperature alarm. In this project, we use a temperature sensor with Arduino to trigger an alarm sound when the temperature goes above a certain threshold. Our group members are Lira Mark Christian, Tardio Mark Vincent, and me, Mojica Denver John. We work together to wire the circuit, write the code, and test how the alarm responds to temperature changes. A temperature alarm is a system that monitors heat levels and produces a sound when the temperature gets too high. It's commonly used in appliances, greenhouses, and safety systems. With Arduino, we can simulate this using a sensor and a buzzer. For this project, we use the following: Arduino Uno board, breadboard, LM35 temperature sensor, active buzzer, 220 ohm resistor, jumper wires, and a USB cable for programming. This is our circuit diagram. The LM35 temperature sensor has 3 pins: VCC, GND, and output. We connect VCC to 5V, GND to ground, and the output pin to Arduino's analog pin A0. The buzzer is connected to pin A through a resistor. Our code reads the temperature from the LM35 sensor. If the temperature goes above 30 degrees Celsius, the buzzer will sound as an alarm. Here's a video of our group connecting the LM35 sensor and buzzer to the Arduino. And here's the output. And that concludes our 7th Arduino project, the temperature alarm. Thank you for watching our presentation.